Attention skippers, those are called children, not lion food. Stop it.
You're fine.
Very easily. Rule number 4, do not ask me about my horoscope. I haven't checked yet. I want that to be a surprise. Honestly, it's been very unclear recently. Rule number 5, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Parents supervise your children. I won't. Take your favorite hand and wave goodbye to all those nice people on the dock. Oh, wave like you mean it. You're never going to see them again. You never saw them in the first place. Welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being famous around the world. Today, I will be your skipper, Skipper Olivia, your favorite skipper's favorite skipper. I will also be your dancing instructor, your science teacher, your snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at the jokes today, your swimming instructor. Now let's do a little bit of a boat orientation before we get underwater. So, if you look straight up, underway, I'm so sorry. Underwater was my last cruise, but you know, that's all beneath us now. So behind us now, I've never sunk in a boat before. That was a Freudian slip. You know when you say one thing, but you really meant your mother? Another, sorry. Look up. That's the top of the boat. Look down. That's the bottom of the boat. If at any point during today's journey, these swim. On an unrelated note, who here knows how to swim? That is not enough hands. Sorry, if you did not raise your hand, look around, pick someone who did. That will be your flotation device. I won't be rescuing you. I'm a skipper. I'm not a captain. I don't go down the ship. I will skip away at the first sign of danger. Now we're going to start today's journey over boats and baits and... I can't see anyone. Canoe? Oh, they went fishing. This is perfect. Let me grab a fishing pole. Give me a second. About that. I thought I saw a snake in there. I'm terrified of snakes. It's one of my biggest fears. Sorry, I'm afraid of snakes and loud noises. Otherwise, don't worry. I know this looks really bad. It's not a bunch of outlaws. It's so much worse. Those are my in-laws. Does anyone know the difference between an in-law and an outlaw? Outlaws are wanted. We are now turning down the Nile River. Now, if you look straight up ahead, you're going to see an African bull elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants. Did you know elephants have one of the best memories in the jungle? I wish I had a memory like that. You know, it really helped me in my job. Yeah? Wait, what did he say? No. I'm sorry, she's going through a tough breakup right now. I'm trying to be there for her. Oh, and if anyone here is a big fan of Cheetos, if you look to your right, you'll be very disappointed. On your right, you see our sandstone formation, not rocks. It's one of our boulder attractions. Not a lot of people sure that's sediment, but I think it's pretty marvelous myself. And now we've entered the African Swamp. In the back, you got the long neck horsies. Down in the front, you got a couple of things that reign over Mufasa. Oh, look at the zebra. That one's dead. Tired. He is resting. Yeah, in pieces. Skipper Felix, hi. Where's your boat? So that right there, that's Skipper Felix. Now, we told him not to leave the boat, but I think he got the point in the end. Poor guy. I feel really bad. It's his first day. And probably his last. He just went to the orange juice factory, but he got canned. He just couldn't concentrate. They really put the squeeze on him. Now, as they come around the river bend, let me introduce you to my best friends. Over on your right, you're going to see Smiley and Ginger, just a couple of gal pals. This three we'll call them best friends. Make sure to keep those hands on the boat, though, because Ginger, Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. I know it's a crummy joke. I'm going to milk it for all first. And out in front of you, you'll see the most beautiful thing in the jungle. Stop. And behind me, you'll see Bicycle. Actually named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert. Dr. Albert Fall. Don't worry, if you have any questions, we will be going over that later. Now, sometimes people ask me, Olivia, how did you land this job? And I think it's really plain to see, I will not be talking about that right now. Oh no, not again. Okay. Everyone please remain calm as enter the hippo pool. Now, hippos are very territorial animals. Just last week, they sunk 6 of our boats. Don't worry, only 5 of them were mine. Yeah, if they try and charge the boat, don't worry, we only accept cash. Hey, that kind of looks like Skipper Felix's boat. I think that's the back half of the Longo seat. It's one of the boats that went missing. Not one of mine, obviously. Yeah. Anyways, if you look directly in front of you, you'll see, does anyone know what that is? Right there. That, believe it or not, is not our problem. Yeah, we're not going to touch that with a 10-foot pole. You know what they say, not my monkeys. Now, if you look over to your left, you're going to see Fred and Annette. Oh, and look at Fred's collection of margarine flies. I know, I can't believe they're not better. Flies. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The reason you came to the Jungle Cruise today, I get it, the irreplaceable. The 8th wonder of the world. The backside of water! O2H, O2H, O2. Oh, there, sorry, that's on me, I read the room wrong. Looks like we're now coming down the Mekong River. If you look over to your right, you're actually going to see an ancient goddess effigy to the former goddess Shirley. I guess that makes her Shirley's temple. Before we go in the dark and scary temple, I just wanted to ask, is anyone here afraid of the dark? Thank you for being honest, I appreciate that. Now, you all please keep your eyes open. We're going to keep our eyes closed. Fun fact about elephants, actually. Did you know elephants have one of the best memories in the jungle? I wish I had a memory like that. It'd really help me in my job. Oh, look at that. 2 baby elephants. And they're bathing under a full moon. That's so cute. I love nature. Over on your left, you have Bartholomew. Over on the right, you have Theodore. Theodore, hey buddy, we've talked about this. Good job. Sorry about him. He likes to try and spray the boat. No, duck. Duck, duck, duck. Goose. Just a little bit of dry humor for you. Actually, you know, a lot of people, they think it's water coming out of those trunks. It's not. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's not water, and no one's telling me. Look to your right. There's nothing there. Over on your left, you have the effects of deforestation, and if you look straight up ahead, you'll see the gift shop, too. Now, here at the Jungle Cruise gift shop, if you're doing any last-minute souvenir shopping, I would recommend a hat. Now, you'll notice there's a bunch of hats there. They're fantastic. They do run a little small, though, so please talk to a skipper first. We're great at capsizing. If you're looking for something a little bit more rare, something a little bit more exotic, talk to Trader Sam. Recently, he found a very rare anthropodermic book. I can't afford it, but that's no skin off my back. Oh, an elephant. Actually, fun fact about elephants. Did you know elephants have one of the best memories in the jungle? Yeah. I wish I had a memory like that. You know, it really helped me in my job. Well, folks, it looks like we're coming up to the most dangerous part of your journey, the return to civilization. So please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Parents supervise your children. You brought them, I don't know why. Now, you've all been outstanding, truly, but in a moment I am going to ask you, you're outstanding on the dock. Out of all my cruises today, I gotta say you're definitely the most recent. I mean that every time, I really do. So if you have any complaints, go and write them down. You're going to toss them in the blue and gold suggestion box on your left as you exit. I appreciate the feedback. Now, we've laughed together. We've cried together. And we've very nearly died together, and that makes us like a family. Aww. I don't know about you, but 15 minutes together with my family is too long. So before you leave today, I just have one last important thing to say. A true friend will never, ever say goodbye. Isn't that sweet? Anyways, goodbye. Get out. Please get out. Watch your head. Watch your